get you the best rates.
Hello guys
so
and
you save
gals,
even
me
more money.
Rahar,
Time
and
to
I'm going to do cyber.
Yes, I know that was annoying, right? Don't worry, I got you. So today we're gonna be looking at 3 apps, actually 4, which is one being Vanced Manager. That's the one that you're gonna need to get all the apps running. So you need one app, and inside the app you'll be able to download every single app. It's up to you if you want to download YouTube music, but then you're gonna need Vanced Microg if you need your account to be added to your YouTube Vanced app. So on the change log, which is the I thingy there, it's gonna tell you what's in the update and what you should worry about. But usually it's working fine. I have never had a problem with it. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on it, right? And it's gonna give you options. So you'll choose whether or not you want to install the latest or the late version, which I think you should install the latest so that you don't miss out. And you can click on the arrow that's facing up so that you can start your download, as you can see. And once it's done, it's going to ask you if you want to install it, which I do not want to do that because it's going to take time, but you can. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to play 3 or 4 videos back to back, right? So that I can prove to you that it's really working and I'm not just bullshitting you. So this is the first video that you saw in the intro, and I'll try to speed it up. Notice it also skips the annoying intros of the videos, because people will be having 8-minute, okay, I'm kidding, that's just too much, but like 1-minute intros, they're annoying. As you can see right at the bottom, it says skipped intro, and it also skips sponsors, and I will show you on the last video. Hopefully you guys are still watching, because I know you hate long videos. Okay, this is the last one. It should have a sponsor. So in the middle, okay, right there, let me just skip. Yeah, it skipped the sponsor and the intro. So I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to comment what you want me to do next, and I will do so.